Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. So today our groups are going to present problem-based test DFN 40143 network security. So my group mates are Muhammad Saifullah, Muhammad Ashraf, Muhammad Shamiza, and me myself Muhammad Yunus. So our lecturer name is Puan Nur Shafinas binti Muhammad Fauzi and Puan Zamharah binti Mazali. Introduction. Criminal and security activities are carried out by irresponsible individuals or groups, such as hackers and attackers, who attack or disable security systems in order to gain access to and obtain information illegally, as was the case with the while searching browser meeting, leakage of user information or data to third parties or authorized parties. It all starts with a vulnerable network with inadequate security or a lack of monitoring to prevent such attacks. With a simple network security configuration, it is possible to avoid being combined with these numbers and save countless business. So task 1 is to conduct research on a variety of network security testing techniques and tools. So the technique we use is network scanning. Network scanning is the process of gathering further information and conducting a more extensive reconnaissance based on the information gathered during footprinting phase is referred to as network scanning. A port scanner is utilized in this technique to detect all the hosts connected to the network. HTTP and FTP are examples of network service that are inspected. Finally, this ensures that the ports are configured to only enable secure network service to pass through. The goal is to identify hosts, ports, and service in the target network using a variety of approaches. The goal is to identify communication channel weakness and the device and attack strategy.
Type of network scanning: port scanning, network scanning, and vulnerability scanning. For port scanning, used to list open port and services. Network scanning used to list IP address. Vulnerability scanning used to discover the presence of known vulnerability. Scanning technique: port scanning technique are extremely used when it comes to identifying open port. Scanning technique represent different categories which are used based on protocol type. They are categorized into three categories: scanning ICMP, TCP, and UDP network services. Network security testing tool: Fastler PRTG network scanning. PRTG is a network monitoring tool that helps you to ensure that your computer system are running smoothly and that no outage occur. Network monitoring is also important to increase the efficiency of your network by knowing bandwidth and resource consumption. It also an all-in-one network monitoring software that is powerful and can analyze your entire IT infrastructure. This easy-to-use solution provides everything and you will not require any additional plugin. The solution can be used by business of any size. It can monitor all system, device, traffic, and application in your infrastructure. Bachelor PRTG features: flexible alerting. PRTG comes with more than 10 built-in technologies such as email, push, play, alarm, audio file, or triggering HTTP requests. PRTG on-premise also support SMS text message and executing X file. Multiple user interface. Full features web interface based on Ajax with high security standard. Highly performant thanks to single-page application SPA technology and optimally adjusting to your system by its responsive design. Cluster failover solution. Take advantage of multiple point of present monitoring. All node monitor all sensor all the time so you can compare response time from different locations in the network, LAN, WAN, or VPN. Map and dashboard. Visualize your network using real-time map with live status information. Distribute monitoring. Monitor several networks in different locations and separate network within your company, for example, DMZ and LAN with PRTG remote probe. In-depth reporting, get the numbers, statistic, and graph of your specific monitoring data or configuration. Task 2. Perform the configuration for selected testing technique and tool using your desktop or laptop terminal and explain the configuration step involved. First step, go to the website pester.com and click the free download. Second step, wait the file download and follow the step they give. Next step, you can choose whatever language that you want from the option. In here, I choose English.
Okay, for this step, in here we accept the agreement to make a next move to installation. So after we click the we accept the agreement and we click the button next. And in here, in this section, we have to put our email address and click button next. In here, we read the installation mode and choose the recommended. Then we click button next to continue the installation. And now we wait the installation finish. Okay, we can see here successful installation. In here, we put the username and password that we sign up to use PRTG. PRTG admin. We can use to monitor the network. So in here, this is the interface of the PRTG. Okay, how to monitor network using PRTG. First, we click button switch to SSL/TLS. And we click the button yes, switch to SSL/TSL TLS, and just click login button to get into PRTG. And we open the CMD and put the ipconfig command and copy the IPv4 and paste to where and click the proceed button. And then open the setting and choose apps and click the button view features to add on optional features. And then scroll the features until found as an MP and then select it and then click next. Okay, next click the button install and wait until finish. And then open the button search and search services. Then search as an MP service and click it. Click the agent tab. Then click all service checkbox and apply. Then click security tab. Click the add button. Then add community name public and click add. Put the IPv4 that we open in web and click add, then click OK. Open the PRTG and go to window, client, add device. Put the device name and IPv4 that we use, then click button OK. After that, just click the button run auto discovery. Next, wait until finish and this thing will display to your PRTG. Thank you.
So therefore, after installing and running PRTG, we found that there are always issues in the network. As network grows to field business grows, PRTG has become an essential responsibility for network administrator to ensure network availability and performance. Due to the abundance of wire and wireless devices with dynamic IP address, many DNS and DHCP configuration and complex subnets in large networks, scanning IP address can be challenging. Start scanning your network and keeping up with what systems are connected within it through its capabilities to be on the safe side. Thank you for listening to our presentation. That's all. Bye-bye.